The last topic of discussion in module 3 of energy and environment subject, the discussion is on aquatic ecosystem. Aquatic ecosystem constitutes the marine environments of the seas and the freshwater systems in lakes, rivers, ponds and wetlands. These ecosystems provide human beings with a wealth of natural resources. The aquatic ecosystems are classified into freshwater, brackish and marine ecosystems, which are based on the salinity levels. So, aquatic ecosystem means this whatever we have got systems like waters, systems like in lakes, rivers, ponds, wetlands. So, these all constitute the aquatic ecosystem, and they provide lot of wealth. I think whatever we enjoy, this fish, marine, what you call seafood and all, that is only coming through the aquatic ecosystem. So, this system can be classified into three types. One is freshwater. Freshwater means river water, whatever you get, where there is no salt in that. Okay, so that is known as freshwater, which does not have salt content. Then second is the oceans or marine ecosystem. In ocean, you know, around 3 to 4% of salt is there. So, it is totally salt water and it is not fit for human consumption. Okay, that is a marine ecosystem. And then third one is wherever these rivers come and meet the ocean, wherever the rivers like your Kali river is coming and meeting this Arabian Sea at Sadashivgarh. So, there you will have the brackish water. Brackish water means it is neither fresh nor highly saline. In between it is. Okay. This is the brackish water is available only in the delta region where the rivers meet the oceans. I think now you understood there is freshwater systems, brackish systems and then marine ecosystem, and they all differ based on the amount of salt in the system. So, the freshwater ecosystem, they have running water like streams and rivers like Kali river. Now, ponds, tanks, lakes are ecosystems where water does not flow and have expanse of shallow water with aquatic vegetation which forms an ideal habitat for fish, crustacean and water birds. So, in aquatic these freshwater systems, you have got two types. One is the flowing one like rivers and streams, and second is the stationary one where like ponds, lakes and tanks where the water does not flow and the water is very shallow, means the deep is not very much deep. But what happens here, lot of vegetation you can see in Madale also you have got a pond here, you can see lot of vegetation, means grass and all grown, aquatic vegetation also. And then you will also find some fish and birds, water birds. So, there are birds, lot of birds in this pond which feed on the on these ponds, the microorganisms, small insects, frogs and all which are available in these ponds. So, this was the freshwater ecosystem, and then comes the brackish water. Brackish water, as I was telling, is the river deltas are covered by mangrove forest. So, again this you might have seen wherever there in Karwar and Goa near the beaches, wherever this streams of water or river stream is meeting the ocean, there you will have a delta. Okay, there you will have some delta and there you will have mangroves which where you can find that the brown roots are available, are visible on the earth also. So, they are the world's most productive ecosystem in terms of biomass production. So, please understand that brackish water ecosystems in river deltas are covered by mangrove forests and are among the world's most productive ecosystems in terms of biomass production. The largest mangrove swamps are in the Sundarbans in the delta of the Ganges. So, Ganga river, when it ultimately goes and meets the Bay of Bengal, there it has got Sundarbans, and in the delta of Sundarbans you will have a lot of mangroves. And here also in Karwar, Goa also, you might have seen, you might have not noticed, but please see. You can see those mangroves. Okay. So this completes the aquatic ecosystem, which includes both all the three, that is freshwater, brackish water, as well as marine water ecosystems. Thank you. And please understand whatever seafood we enjoy, this is all coming through this ecosystem only. All this fish, lobsters, prawns, whatever shellfish, whatever you are eating, this is all produced by the aquatic ecosystem. Thank you.